thank you for watching. So for today's video, I just wanted to sit down and talk about one product because it has been very impressive. These are some of my shortest videos, but they're honestly some of my favorite videos because I love sitting and just talking about makeup with you. And I try a lot of things out, so I think it's fun to sit down and just collect my thoughts on new products. So today we are going to be talking about the Laura Mercier Secret Blurring Powder for Under Eyes. And it looks like this. Very glossy container, so there's fingerprints on it already. When you open it up, it is a very white powder, which can be a little intimidating, especially if you have a tan like me, but honestly this is perfect for the under eye. I love sculpting up my face with a contour. I love bringing color into my face with a blusher, but my favorite part might be applying a highlighting color to the under eye. I just think it makes you look so fresh, so youthful, and just really pretty. So when you feel this, it seriously feels like silk. Like, I've never felt a powder that is so silky like that. I had it on the other day for about 10 hours and it was lovely. It didn't wear at all. It sits really nicely on the skin. It doesn't crease. This is like the area that you really do not want to have any kind of creasing. None. There is none at all. There's no texture. It's almost blurring. Okay, so it does say that it's blurring. Okay, I knew it wasn't just me. Secret blurring powder? Is that what it is? Yes. I didn't even remember it was in the title, so this is totally blurring. I've had this on now for 6 hours, and yes, it just looks fresh and really beautiful. Not cakey at all, and not powdery or too white. Like, I think this is perfect. It's doing a fantastic job. I think everything looks so blended. I'm not even necessarily having such a good skin day. It is a very good makeup day though, I will say that, and it has a lot to do with this powder. I use this Chanel brush. There's not a ton that comes off. It's not like scary white or anything, you know? Like, this brush already has some white on it, so it's really nothing to be afraid of. And then you just apply it like this. Reviews nowadays, I feel like, are way too hard on products that don't have mirrors in them. You don't need a mirror in every product, but it's nice to have. This one particularly has one. Oh, hello. I just love setting the under eye with this. It does not build up or anything like that. So this is $28. There are 2 colors. I like the dramatic, bright under eye. Even when I'm like my most tan, or like when I have so much contour and bronzer right here, just having that white under the eye, I think it's so pretty. Usually I use Emphasize by MAC. It's a pro product and it's a pressed powder as well. But this one is just so silky and beautiful that I think this is going to be my next everyday. I don't incorporate new products into my everyday routine very often, as you might be able to tell from my videos. I don't have a very huge rotation. I fall really deeply in love with products, and this is one that I know is going to stay in my collection for a very long time. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.